update.
Yo ninjas, welcome back to the show. NINJABOX is showing, and what did you eat today? So today is a special unboxing day and also a special play, so to speak. So there's a special package came in today in the mailbox, which we're gonna unbox right now. But before that, we quickly first have to defeat this Team Rocket bastard, because just became level 70 in Pokemon Go. So let's quickly beat this Rocket in Pokemon Go. Just recently became level 50 and as of yesterday level 70 because the cap increased in Pokemon Go. And today we have a special unboxing also for Pokemon, yes. There's a Lyron. What's good against a Lyron? He's Metal Rock. Well, Mewtwo's always good, right? Almost. Do you already know your starter that you are going to pick? Okay, we did it. We defeated the Rocket with our new suit, our new gear. Nice and red. Team Valor for the win. Yes. Send your trainer code in the comments. Okay, we got here Ninja-chan's favorite Pokemon. Diglett! Yeah. Shadow with hair. Is it any good? No, of course it isn't. So just woke up and this package was right in the mailbox. Still was waiting for it to open it, so let's check it out and what's inside. So originally I wasn't planning to order this initially. I was just like, oh, let me just borrow Ninja-chan's thing and maybe at some point in the future get the Switch 2. But I'll for now keep at the Switch 1, and now I have the Switch 1 edition here. So let's unbox it. Let's see how this box goes. I already saw a minor spoiler of the box, because I was not the only one with a box. Let's go. Ooh, so yeah, here's Mario. Already seen this one, but it's cool that it's here. It's a me, Mario, that it's inside of the box when you open it, so that's a cool feature, right? Like open and then you see Mario. And here's some other Nintendo stuff. Nice and red, the best color. Okay then, so let's see what's inside of here. Oh shit. I got like the extra stuff with it. So here we have a case, a Ninja case. No, not that case. But we got a case here, very nice. Nice case here. You already wrap it, well, you do that later. And we got, of course, the figures of the Chikorita, Totodile and the pig. Well, there's only one right choice for this, right? You know the right choice, comment below. And of course the nice Charizard. It's a bit smaller than I thought, but it's still a cool Charizard. Mega Charizard. And also the other Charizard, very nice. And of course the game, still sealed. So yeah, we now have Pokemon ZA Legends. So I thought for a little bit like, okay, maybe this game also can have a future for Pokemon Go, like how you have with the other Pokemon game. You could get like the Melton and the Golden Go. But I guess this one is not the case, since it's a Legends game and it's not a two-time game like Red and Blue, Scarlet and Violet, you know. But yeah, okay, well, here is the game. So I guess it's now time to actually play this game. And yeah, now got my own copy as well for the Switch 1. So hopefully it actually looks good or plays well. So yeah, ninjas, did you got your copy, or you're not gonna get Pokemon at all? Maybe you get Digimon or something else, or you're not into this, or maybe for the Switch too. Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, what is your starter for this game? Well, of course there's only one right choice. Now that I think about it, should we open these? Maybe not. I don't know. This one is a bit shaky. No. What? The wing is fucked, man. It's loose. Broken even. What? This wing is broken, man. They gave me a broken Charizard. Yeah, the wing is broken. Here, look at this. This wing is... Yep, it's broken. They gave me a broken Charizard. I wonder if you can get a refund for that or something. These are still intact. What the hell, mate? Yeah, the wing is... The wing is like not attached. I'm not sure if I should now open it or not. Since I see that it is broken. Like I literally see like... I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's like... loose. I know. Alright, let's open this pin and see what is inside. What is inside? Well, pins of course. Yeah, well that's it. The pins. Well, there's only one right choice here, right ninjas? So let me know in the comments. Alright, I'll keep these sealed for now. The Chikorita, Totodile and the pig figure for now. And the Charizard I keep sealed for now as well. And especially this one, because this Charizard is broken and I have to send a picture or something to Nintendo to get a new one. Because it's not supposed to be broken, right? These were the unboxings of this. I got like a few of these extra bonus stuff with it, so pretty cool. And yeah, Charizard is my favorite Pokemon of all time. So yeah, definitely wanted the Megas as well. But yeah, unfortunately one of them is broken, so... Yeah! Alright ninjas, let's get into the game and gotta catch 'em all. Let me know your starter in the comments. Yes! Ninjakees. Thanks for joining once again, Ninjas, NINJABOX, ishhh, and see you ninjas next time. Ninjakees out.